Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I install my full-length frontal wig. This is a full-length frontal that I made, and items that I use here are the major items or the basic items to use for full-length installation or any type of installation, but the brand might differ. Now I'm using a skull cap which I'll put on my head and then start the measure process. I will be making this video a self-explanatory video because I won't be talking much or I won't be talking either. For the items that I use, their names will be in the description box for you to check it out if you care to know their names. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Baby, can you pray tonight? Baby, can you pray for us? Oh, baby, can you pray? 'Cause every time you make time, it's only to the end. So pray tonight. So you won't know that I know it. For everywhere that we had messed around and I knew it. But I'll be ready every day. Know everything's alright. Are we gonna pray? Are you gonna pray?
This method can serve as a way of tinting your Swiss lace. If you don't want to tint it, then apply foundation on it. You are good to go. If you want to learn how I made this factory made frontal wig, I will leave the link up there or in the description box for you to click and learn how I do it. It's a factory made frontal wig, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be cutting out the lace.
Baby, can you pray tonight? Baby, can you pray for us? Oh, baby, can you pray? 'Cause every time you make time, it's only to the end. So pray tonight. So you won't know, for everywhere around that we had messed around and I knew it. But I've been ready every day. You know everything's alright. Are we gonna pray? Are you gonna pray?
So I'm done, and this wig can be parted any style. It can be parted center part or side part or whichever style you want to part it. I'm just going to comb it all back and allow it to dry up. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do it to subscribe to be part of this amazing family, and leave a comment on what you think about this ventilated wig and the installation. So thank you guys for staying to this moment. See you guys later.